Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online class, children. Class 6, Subject Science, Changes Around Us. Part 3, we are going to discuss. In previous class, we discussed about reversible, irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes. In this class, expansion and contraction of materials, expansion in solid, liquid and gas, we are going to discuss. Thermal expansion and contraction. Materials expands or contract when subjected to the change in temperature. When you increase the temperature, it will expand. When you cool or when it is in the cool condition, it contract. Most material expand when they are heated and contract when they are cooled. And when free to reform, contract will expand and contract due to the fluctuation in temperature. Expansion in contraction. When a substance expands or contract, the particle size stays same. The particle size will be the same when it is expands or contract. Only the space between the particles will change. The particles in solid vibrate more when it is heated, and that's take up more room. Expansion. Let us see how the particles can vibrate, similar to liquid and gases when heated. So, in a solid, the particles can vibrate more in when it is heated and less in cool condition. All particles in solid vibrate even when cold. At high temperature, they vibrate faster and take up more room expand, but it particles themselves are still in same size. The particle size will be in same, but the vibration mode will be fast when they are heated. Let us see some examples. Expansion in solid. Railway tracks considers a parallel metal rail. Small gaps are left in the metal rail, which are called expansion joint. You can see here there will be a gap in that railway track, because this gap is known as expansion joint. When it is heated, it expand. So when it is cool, it contract. Because of that, they have given a small gap in railway track. Expansion and contraction. In order to make a tools like an axe, the ring of its iron blade is heated, which allow it expand. For example, if you want to fix the wood into this metal, they will heat the ring of the metal, then it will expand and easily they will fix into the wood, and when it is cool it will be fixed in that wood. It become larger when you heat the metal, it become large in size, and then it allowed to cool down, which makes it contract again. So it will be, when it is cool, it will be fixed in that metal and become smaller in size, leading to tight fit to handle. Now it is very tight fit to the handle. So the wooden wheel, they will fix this metal ring heat, then the metal ring will fix into that wooden. So this is the expansion and contraction used in the tools. Ball and ring. A solid expands when heated, contract when it is temperature decrease. Before heat the ball, we cannot go inside. Say next, if you heat, it will fix the ball into that ring. because of the expansion. Substance expand when they are heated. The particle stays same, but the vibration only will different in the when it is heated or cool. The particles become same. When heated, the solid particles vibrate more and take up more room, and liquid move around each other more quickly and take up more room. And gas move more quickly in that all direction and take up more room. Substance contract when they are cooled down. So automatically it's contract when they are cool. When we cool subject, the number of particles and their size remain the same. They just take up the less room. Expansion and contraction of liquid. Expansion in liquid. When the liquid is heated, the molecules have more energy and move more vigorously. The movement of the molecules more overcome the force of attraction between the molecules, allowing them to move freely. So the volume of the liquid increase. So in a liquid, the molecules are in a there is a small gap. So when you heat, they will move very fast. Let us see a small example. When you are go for the hospital, if you have a fever, immediately they will keep a thermometer and check the temperature. In that thermometer, we have a mercury inside. That is a liquid element. And mercury in the thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of our body. So when you keep in that temperature, automatically the mercury will raise and shows the temperature. So this degree temperature is in your body condition. So upon observing body heat, mercury in a bulb of the thermometer expands and raise along the mercury column and indicating temperature and shows the temperature. The next one, then a flask is replaced beaker of ice water, and the liquid level is seen drop. This is because colored water in the flask contract and when it is cooled by the ice water. So when you heat, automatically this colored water will increase in this pipe. When you cool, automatically it decrease in the pipe. Expansion and contraction of gas. When the gas is heated, the molecules gain more energy and move faster, further apart. This case of volume increase. At low temperature, the molecules have moved slower and have less energy. They are closer together, causing volume to decrease. So when you heat, automatically it moves very fast in gas. An infant balloon kept in the sun, it will grow in a size because hair inside the expands, and solid, liquid, gas contract on cooling, expand in temperature, heated hair. So when you place hot water and cold water, you can see the balloon how it is expands in a hot water. It is a hot water. Water expands. The molecules will be moves very fast. So the hair fill in the balloon it will expand. When it is in the cold water, the particles are present in that and we cannot see the balloon will expand. So when it is hot, the hair will expand. When it is cool, it will contract. Thermal expansion of solid, liquid and gas. Expansion joints expands when it is hot. The particles are not free to move. Solids do not expand much. And in a mercury, the particles move more freely than in solid. Liquids usually expand more than solid. The particles are far apart and move more freely in liquids than in liquids. Gaseous usually expand more than in liquid. Expansion in solid, liquid, and gas. The railway track considers two parallel metal rail joined together. There is a small gap, that is expansion gap. So because of heat it will expand, cold it will contract. Because of that they have given a small gap. And water expand on heating. Take a glass filled with water, its beam, pour water into a container and heat it. Now try to pour water back into the same glass. The water flows. And this is the on experiment. If you keep a balloon in front and you can see clearly, it will expand. It grows in the size as air inside this expands, taking heat from that surrounding. Contraction in solid, liquid, and gas. If you hold a hot glass tumbler under cold water, it cracks. And this is because of outer surface of glass becomes in direct contact with the cold water and contract more as compared to the inner surface. In your chemistry lab also, if you heat empty test tube, immediately if you cool you can see clearly the test tube can broke. Because of this, immediately if you are keeping the underwater it will broke. Expand and contraction. We observe that the water expand on heating. Can you say what will happen if the water is allowed to cool and then poured back into the glass? It is because of contraction, still overflow. The same in front of balloon, inflated balloon is tied with the mouth of bottle and bottle placed in the ice cold water, and you can see clearly it will contract the air gas. Thank you, children. This class we discussed about expansion in solid, liquid, and gas with the example. Let us see next class.